Hello. Hi. Welcome to our YouTube channel Maths with Balakrishna. Okay. Today I am going to explaining class 10th progressions exercise 6.1. First one. Write first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D given as follows. Okay, here they are asking that write the first four terms of AP. Okay, AP means arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means what? A progression which having all the common difference is same. So what the common difference? The difference between two consecutive terms is constant. That constant is called common difference. It is denoted by D. Okay, so here they are asking that first four terms. So here we know that the general form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D and so on. Okay, here arithmetic progression means what? A common difference is adding to its preceding term. Okay, so that progression is called arithmetic progression. Okay, here they ask that write the first four terms. The first term is A1 is equal A is equal 10. Second term A2 is equal A plus D. The common difference is adding to its preceding term. Okay, so A plus D, that is 10 plus 10, that is how much? 20. Next A3, that is A plus 2D. A plus 2D. Okay, so that is A 10 plus 2 into 10, that is A plus, okay, 10 plus 20, that is how much? 30. Next A4. So here A4 means the common difference is adding to third term. Okay, that is here A3 plus D. So A3 is how much? A plus 2D. A plus 2D plus D, that is how much? A plus 3D. Okay, so that is here 10 plus 3 into 10, that is 10 plus 3 into 10, 30. 10 plus 30, how much? 40. Okay, so these are the four terms of the first one. Next, second one. So A is equal minus 2, D is equal 0. So here A1, first term A1 is A is minus 2. Second term A2, that is A1 plus D. The common difference is adding to its preceding term. So that is here minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2. Next A3, that is here A2 plus D. That is A2 is how much? Minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2. So next A4, that is A3 plus D. The common difference is adding to its preceding. So here the common difference is how much? They given that 0. So that is here minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2. So the first four terms are what? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and so on. So the common difference they given that 0 and the first term is minus 2. So then the terms are four terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Next, third one. A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. So the first term A1 is equal to 4. So second term is A1 plus D. The common difference is adding to a preceding term. So that is A1 4 plus minus 3. So plus into minus, minus 4 minus 3, how much? 1. So next third term is A2 plus D, or we can write as A plus 2D. A plus 2D. So here A is how much? 4 plus 2D, 2 into minus 3. So that is here 4 plus into minus, minus 2 3 ja 6, 4 minus 6 minus 2. Okay, so the general form of second term is what? A plus 2D, or we can write as A2 plus D. Okay, A2 is how much? 1. 1 plus D. D is how much? Minus 3. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. You can do anyway. So next A4. We can write as A3 plus D, or we can write as A plus 3D. A plus 3D. So fourth term, how we can get? The common difference is adding to third term, or its general form is A plus 3D. So that is here A4 plus 3 into minus 3. So plus into minus, minus 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 minus 9, that is how much? Minus 5. So the first four terms are 4 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 5 and so on. Next, a is equal minus 1, d is equal 1 by 2. So that is here a1 is equal a is equal minus 1, a2 is equal a plus d. So that is here minus 1, d is how much? 1 by 2. So here 1 we can add as 1 by 1. We can do that cross multiplication. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 1 into 1 1 by 1 2 jar 2 minus 2 plus 1 that is minus 1 by 2. Next a3 that is equal a plus 2d. So here a is how much? Minus 1 plus 2 into d that is how much? 1 by 2. Okay, that is here 2 2 cancel, 2 1 jar 2 1 jar cancel, that is minus 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1 is how much? 0. So next a4 that is here a plus 3d. So a value is how much? Minus 1 plus 3 into d value is how much? 1 by 2, that is minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So minus 1 we can add as minus 1 by 1. So now these two are the fractions, we can do that cross multiplication. So that is here minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 1 3 jar 3 by 2 minus 2 plus 3 that is how much? 1 by 2. Minus 2 plus 3 is how much? 1 by 2. So now the first four terms are what? Minus 1, next minus 1 by 2, next 0, next 1 by 2. Next, a is equal minus 1.25, d is equal minus 0.25. So first term a1 is equal a is equal minus 1.25. So second term is equal a plus d, first term plus common difference. So that is here minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. So plus into minus minus. So that is here minus 1.25 minus 0.25. So that is equal how much? Minus 1.50. Minus 1.50. Next third term. Okay. So that is here a plus 2d. That is equal minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. So that is here minus 1.25 minus plus into minus minus 2 into 0.25 that is here 0.50. So that is here minus 1.75. Next fourth term a4 is equal a plus 3d, that is equal minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. So here that is minus 1.25 plus into minus minus 3 into 0.25 that is at 0.75. So that is we can get minus 2.00. So the first four terms are what? Minus 1.25, next minus 1.50, next minus 1.75, next minus 2.00. Next, second question. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So first one, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So these numbers are called terms. So the first number is 3, that is the first term is 3. So here A is 3, A1 is equal 3. Next they are asking that common difference. Common difference means what? The difference between any two consecutive terms. Okay, that we can get constant, that constant is called common difference. So that is a d is equal here first two consecutive integers, so that is a2 minus a1, so that is here 1 minus 3, that is how much? Minus 2. Or we can take another common difference, that is a3 minus a2, so that is here minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. We can take another common difference, so that is here a4 minus a3, so that is here minus 3 minus of minus 1. So minus minus plus minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. So the common difference is how much? Minus 2. Next, second one, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7 and so on. So here the first term a1 is equal a is equal minus 5. So common difference d is equal a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2 or a4 minus a3. So here a2 minus a1, so that is here minus 1 minus a1, how much? Minus 5. So minus minus plus, minus 1 plus 5, that is how much? 4. So next another one, third one, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, and so on. So the first term is what here? 1 by 3. A1 is equal to A is equal to 1 by 3. Next, common difference. So the difference between A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. So that is here A2 minus A1. So 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So the common difference is 3. Subtract the numerator. 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4 by 3. The common difference is how much? 4 by 3. So next, fourth one. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, and so on. So here first term is A1 is equal to A is equal to 0.6. Common difference is A2 minus A1. So that is 1.7 minus 0.6. That is 1.7 minus 0.6. How much? 1.1. Or A3 minus A2. So that is a 2.8 minus 1.7. That is how much? 1.1. So next, A4 minus A3. So that is a 3.9 minus 2.8. That is how much? 1.1. So the common difference is how much? 1.1.